In today's video, I'm using a damp paper towel and I'm going to do a swipe, hopefully to create some really nice cells throughout this piece. I have pink and a few shades of purple mixed up along with some gold and some white. I will be using the white for my base coat and my swiping color. I have each of my paints mixed with about 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. And then I just slowly incorporate water until it's the consistency that I want for pouring. When I had originally started out with this, I wasn't going to use silicone, but when I swiped, I didn't get as many cells as I wanted. So I am going to be using silicone, and I'll show you how that works out in a little bit. But I'm going to be leaving some negative space on my surface, so I'm just adding my white to each side of my canvas, and then I'll be running my paint down the middle. Once I had my white paint down, I just started adding my other colors. I just have a nice gradient of some dark purple and then a few lighter purples and then that pink down at the end. And I'm just adding in some gold in between each of the colors. I added just a little bit of white to the end, and I have my paper towel that I've just dampened with water, and I'm just using that to swipe my white down over all of the rest of my colors. I didn't really get a whole lot of cells popping, so I first grabbed my kitchen torch and started using that to see if I could get some more cells, and that still wasn't working very well. So I actually grabbed some liquid silicone. It is 100% silicone. It is actually treadmill silicone, and it's in a spray bottle, and I spritzed that right on top of my entire canvas, and cells just started popping up like crazy. So if you don't like what you're working with, you can definitely add mediums after. You can see just spritzing that silicone right on top, those cells just started popping like crazy. And so you can really get some nice cell formation if you don't add silicone after. Or if you don't add silicone to your paint mix while you're painting, you could always add some after. But that worked out really well, and I like the way that it turned out more than my original swipe. But I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I think this was fun, just doing something a little bit different since I don't normally use a lot of silicone. But if you'd like to see some more techniques with some silicone to create some cells, let me know and I'll try it out. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. I do post 2 videos a week, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching today.